Good morning, this is Lynda Cromar. I want to show you something that I think will be really helpful. As you know, many of the team members, particularly Franco, is creating not only capture pages for our PLS, but he's also creating follow-up emails, which are very valuable because if you don't know how to write emails and you want to make sure that you're following up with the people that you have, you do want to do that. So I'm going to show you something quick and easy and fun. Now I had already created my own capture page, which is right here, which means I've already taken what Franco created and made it into my own, but I did not have those emails attached to it. So let me show you the process. First of all, you would go to View and Edit, and you would make sure that I've already done it, but I'm going to show you how you would do it again. So you would come down here to the enviralizer, and you would choose that one, and you would click here to make a copy. Now I'm going to do that in another few minutes here for another one, but I just want to show you a completed process and what you do. So each one of these emails you need to actually go inside, and you need to make a few changes. One major one is that you need to make sure that this email right here, and it's not letting me do it, so what you want to do is you want to actually hit the copy. So I'm not going to make a new copy. I'm going to just go in here and create a new one in another campaign. You can do it with all the campaigns. So, sorry, I did the wrong one. So you want to view and edit again, and say I want to go and do something with one of the others that has been created. We've got one for Empower. I own Empower, so I would want to make, here's what you do. So each one of these email campaigns that are already created, you want to click this, and I'm going to go ahead and edit this. I'm going to leave my copy in front of it so that I know which one is actually mine. And then I'm going to actually view and edit and make a few changes to each of these. So for instance, make sure that the link is correct on there, because if it isn't, it will not go to you. It will go to Franco because he's going to put his own in here. So the very first thing you want to do here is look for the hyperlinks like this and click the chain, and you're going to see that it has one of the campaigns inside of Empower. So you want to change that, if you own this product, to your own username so that you can take advantage when this completes. So make sure that you look through each of the emails. And one thing I like to do, and see, you can see it's got the link a couple of times, and it's the same link, because that is part of copywriting, is that you do the very same thing. Give them the opportunity to click on that link about 3 times in most emails is a good rule of thumb. And here it is again. So make sure that you do this. Again, hit that chain, and it has a username change here. And this is only good as if you own this product. So then you want to go ahead and keep looking down, and here it is the 4th time. And make that change. And one thing I like to do, okay, here it is again, just look through each of these emails thoroughly to make sure that you are not missing any of those links. because this can actually sell for you in whatever products we have. I have Empower, so of course I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of that with anybody that shows an interest in that, because that's a back-end product that I can sell. So, one more time. Whoops. Get it all. And then there's one more thing I like to do. On the bottom is just where it goes and grabs your information from your site. I like to put a signature in there. You can create these in PicMonkey. I showed that in a previous video. You can also upload your own pictures in here that are available, and then you can just put them in all the time to all of your emails. And then once you've completed that change, just save it. Now you have, and you'll just have to pretend I did both of these, now you have an email product that you can go back to your websites, whether you've created them or not. And so in this case, we're talking about the Envirolizer, and I want to edit. Now I have the capture page. I have everything else in place. I have the name, but I did not have the email series. So I'm going to come back here now and go get that one, which I left my in front of it. So here it is right here. And now I have the email series connected with that capture page. So let's, it'll look the same, but you want to just make sure and submit so that you're completed with it. And you don't have to do any other change. I didn't change any of the other things in this page. So now when somebody actually clicks on my email, my capture page here, they are going to be sent to a series of 2 or 3 emails. I don't remember how much is in there. I think it's 2 that Franco created, but they're my links, so nobody gets sent to anybody else's links. So that's really critical that you need to do that with all these great email messages that people are putting in there. Make sure that you're taking advantage of them the right way.